How to fix BeReal upload field error. So if you want to fix the BeReal upload field error, first thing you could go with the basic steps like checking your internet connection, restarting your app and then your device, as well as clearing your cache and maybe reinstalling as well. So let's just proceed on with the video. So what we want to do is, first thing, let's go to BeReal, or what we need to do is go to settings, all right, on your device. And next thing you just want to go to is network and internet section. Click that up and you go to the internet section. Here you could either go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should be able to help you out as well. Now that you've done this, see whether the issue has been solved or not. If the issue still persists on, you know what to do. The next step is head over to your respective app store and look for BeReal on the search bar. And here you just need to go ahead and locate BeReal app. Make sure to update the app to the latest version. That might also be able to help you out. If not, you would then want to go to the step number 3. For that, you just have to open up settings and locate apps from the list. Go to see all apps and locate BeReal from the list. Here it is. You can then go ahead and select storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as storage. That might be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix BeReal upload field error. If nothing works out, you could simply restart the device at the same time, reinstall your BeReal app, and that's going to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.